Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Angel's kitchen. Guys, I'm going to be cooking chicken curry sauce. This is my first time of cooking it, so I hope it comes out well. So let's go. So I'll be adding my seasoning, thyme, chicken seasoning. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using this curry. I'm not using the regular one, the normal one I do use to cook my stew and sauces. So I'll be using this Jamaican curry to give it that color. Stir it together. I like to bring out the so juice. So guys, I'm going to be adding a little bit of pepper. This is grounded pepper, but you can as well use Scotch bonnet if you have. But I don't have Scotch bonnet at home, so I'm using grounded pepper. So guys, as you can see, our chicken is cooking. So I'm also going to be adding my potato to it, and this will serve as the thickener. But if you don't want to use potato, you can use your cornstarch if you have, to make it thick. Last but not the least, we'll add our coconut milk. They will cover for everything to cook together. So guys, this is my potato. I'm going to be pouring it inside to serve as the thickener, just like what I said earlier on. So guys, our chicken curry is ready. We're going to be having this with boiled rice. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.